There's a road on the Isle of Wight that literally fell off. Yeah, it just fell off. This used to be one of the most scenic drives on the Isle of Wight. Today we're heading down what's left of Undercliff Road in Ventnor on the Isle of Wight. Walking down here today, you can see where the road used to run. Cracks, lampposts and the occasional bit of tarmac clinging on for dear life. You can almost imagine the traffic. Cars, cyclists, people enjoying the view. Now replaced by ferns, foxgloves and the sound of nothing but wind. It's strange how quickly nature moves in. The white lines are still here, just covered in moss. Even the road stones are starting to lean, like they're going to give up too. It feels peaceful, but slightly eerie, like walking through a time capsule that's slowly dissolving. From above, you can see the story written in the land. The cracks, the curves, the way the cliffs just let go and slide into the sea. It's a reminder that the island is alive, slowly breathing, shifting, reshaping itself over decades. And somewhere under there, beneath the trees and the rubble, are the remains of the old Undercliff Road, a ghost of the island's past. Undercliff Road was opened in the mid-1800s, a coastal masterpiece cut through the cliffs between Ventnor and Niton. Back then, people called it one of the most beautiful drives in England. But beauty came at a price. The cliffs here are basically a giant layer cake of clay and chalk, and every time it rained too much, the whole thing started to slide. There were major landslips here in 1928, 1995, 2001 and the big one in 2014 that shut the road for good. So if you ever wonder why you can't drive from Ventnor to Niton anymore, this is why. The council say they'll keep monitoring the situation, and well, I think it is still moving. Standing here, it's hard not to admire how nature just takes its time. No rush, no schedule. The Undercliff Road isn't just a road, it's a reminder of how we build things to last. But the island has its own schedule. So remember, when you're driving along the coast, underneath your wheels there might be another road waiting to turn. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this trip into the island's past, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and you'll be informed of the next video. And whatever you do, don't follow the sat nav left.